up, guys? Today we're playing Mouse PI for Hire. I've heard great things about this game, and it's rubber hose, black and white animation style. So let's just get into it. Let's see. New game. Rookie Detective Superman. Okay.
Bang bang, here we go.
Okay. That was funny. Bang bang, here we go. Also, I heard that every character isn't speaking into the same mic, so they all sound different.
It was the last stretch, and I was starting to get serious deja vu. Now, where did that bastard go?
Check out the posters. Okay. We are on the lookout for food everywhere. Trail 1
Yeah, opening the door ain't rocket science. Jumping with style.
Money. Okay. Yeah, I like. Hold on, wait, I like that. Want to do that again? That's funny. Alright, where is the audio? Turn that music down like a little bit. That's pretty loud. Yes.
My joints ain't what they used to be.
Oh, I got a block. I got an old-fashioned block.
So now
Where's
it's just
Steve?
one.
Where we at?
Wasting my time.
It's like Doom, but in like a rubber hose. Like a wet fire.
Come on. Oh, finally.
Typewriter. Oh, save. Yeah, auto saves. What?
Ah, son of a gooder.
Okay.
Uh-oh, we got company.
Yo, these animations are frightening. Shit, Oh, I have to do it in one go. Do I have to fill in all the spaces? Okay, I'm assuming I have to like fill in all the spaces. So, wait. Oh, wait, no. I'm stupid. Hold on. Boom. Oh, well. I'm still stupid. Yes. Go back. Boom, 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 boom. Fuck. Am I dumb? Okay, there we go. Also, say thank you to that guy Polo for buying this game so I can actually play it. I'll put his channel up on the screen like that.
It's over. You got nowhere left to run.
I run toward the dream! A bright future ruled by big mice!
Oh, you absolute... Hey! Hell.
Austrian painter.
It was the last stretch, and I was starting to get serious deja vu.
Wait, what? It didn't say?
Now, where did that bastard go?
Alright, so wait, I'll cut to when I'm back at the place I was. In 3, 2. Alright, we're back. Kick him in the face. Shoot him. Now remember, go for the freaking ammo. I also figured out my dash. My dash is Wait, are these guys supposed to be imitating like because they have like the band on their sleeves. But no, that's probably not.
It's a trap!
Whoa, what was that?
I could have easily just shot him right there.
Guy's got stamina, I'll give him that.
I can't see you! I got ambushed! Come on. Yo, I'm sorry! Please! I'm sorry! God damn it! Why am I so bad at the games? Oh my god. This video is gonna be like an hour long.
I will find you!
Up!
Oh wait, never mind. It restarts me back to I know that. So yeah, I can't go. I gotta use my bullets carefully. Oh wait, let me drink my. Okay, I got both. Fuck.
And another. What is it with this guy in elevators?
Oh yeah.
Laser meeting!
I have one more.
Enemy!
Stop dumping the mag on me. Yo, I can tell that they tried so hard on this game.
Oh! Well,
It's pretty good. Yo, this is their first game, by the way. And it's already fire. Oh my god. I'm stupid. Okay, that's already pushed up.
we'll make it to the end, huh?
I didn't like how they just like didn't tell you that how to use the typewriter.
Stop right there!
Hell,
Yeah,
He's way
that's
too
fine.
far. I can hear you just fine, you meddling mouse!
really? With the engines and the wind?
What the hell is going on?
Fair enough. I'll be there in a blink, all right? Not a chance! This is the end of the line for you!
We'll see about that.
Where are you? People have already shit. Fuck. Okay, yes. Oh my god. God, why am I so bad?
You rocked the boat too hard. This is where you fall down.
I can dash.
What a crappy...
Oh fuck! Okay, so I'm a Fumi Games, a place I present Mouse PI for hire. Mouse PI for hire. Yeah, this is just a side game. Yo, Jack Pepper reminds me of Miko from Brawl Stars, just because like how he talks. Cause like how Miko talks, this is just a side gig. He kind of reminds me of that. What is going on here? I assume we're gonna have to go from different places to defeat the final boss, which is like...
Some falls don't begin in the sky. They begin in quiet rooms, with friendly voices and fondue bottles. Mine started a few weeks back.
Oh, was that
The
a
sky
reference to
was just
Silver
the exit wound. It began with a call. Routine. Familiar. Wanda from the Mouseburg Herald. Usually she swings by the office with a lead. If it pans out, she hears it first. It's simple, really. She gets her story, I get a few bucks to stockpile cheese, and for a moment, Mouseburg gets to breathe easy. But that day was different. She was tight-lipped. Meat on sight, details later. Had to be someone big. Recognizable. The kind that only says, oops, when they remember their mortal too. Something within me, old instinct, maybe, said turn back. Let this one go. That this case was more trouble than it was worth. But, well, trouble is what I do.
Trouble is what I do. I guess, bro.
Jack, over here.
Yeah.
What's this about, Wanda? Care to toss me a cheese crumb? Or are we doing our usual tug of war?
I can give you more than a crumb, Jack. I can give you a magician.
A magician?
Magician's red?
What, like some wacko waving a stale mozzarella stick in front of a bunch of bored middle-aged mice?
Ah, something like that. But this one disappeared mid-show, right in front of a handful of surprised mice. Some say it's a kidnapping. Others, I figured it might interest you. Goes by the name Magnificent Bandle. Or whatever.
I like
Bandle?
how I can hear all of
As in Steve Bandle?
One and the same. You know him?
You could say that. All right, I'm going in.
Hold your whiskers, Jack. You're not gonna get past the yellow tape without cred. Or a pass. Here.
But it's you in the picture.
Let's just say the officer guarding the backstage is, intellectually innocent.
I'll give it a shot.
Throw your ID to the cop. Where am I supposed to go? I'm stupid.
No entry without an ID.
Oh, here you go, officer.
Oh, you.
I probably skipped that way too fast.
What you gonna open this with, rookie? Your tail?
What part is the key?
Tell LT I'm wrapping things up now.
What? Find the key. What's this? That's his key. Oh, this is water. I thought it was glass. Is it a little water system? Wait, is that... we're probably gonna use that later, even though it's nice. Do that money. I wonder... You probably can buy more weapons.
All right, let's get this over with.
Old pages are stained with cheese to an unsettling degree. More of it. It's Mouseburg General Upper Crust, but one name stands out. Betty Dueck's Fiddle. Stand-in assistant. Complete with her home address. She could be worth a visit. Okay.
An address book. Huh. Steve had an assistant. And life's treated you pretty good, huh, Steve?
Hello, Frog. Your
All right, the coast is as clear as it's gonna get.
Say it again. Looks like the headbutt.
It ain't pushing. Check it.
Of course, flies always swarm rotten cheese.
I've overshield on my little heart. Look at it, his armor. Oh, ammo. Need that. Gotta go back upstairs. What am I doing now? Leave the theater. Oh yeah. How do I leave? Whatever this thing is called. Thank you. Oh, I love this mechanic so much. Said, oh, I'm stupid. Wait. Save. Okay. Alright, we did it. Reach the assistant's apartment. Go right. What?
That was a speeding ticket for sure.
Alright, see that guy just peeking inside?
Nothing pushing me. Hey, tough guy.
No, good. I've got the hang of this. I won't die in one situation. Nigga! What? Loft key. Do I find a loft key? Who's that? Okay. Okay. Oh, stupid.
Damn shinglers and their explosive barrels.
Oh my god. Get the key. Oh. To find a way to get into the wall. Oh yeah. Jesus Christ. Years. Wait. Oh, I could have done a Looney Tunes ad trap.
I ain't no clown.
Wait.
Say hello to my little friends.
Say hello to my little friend.
Oh, whack.
They say it's duck season. They say it's rabbit season. I'll do none of it. I say it's rat season. Let me shut up. Okay. Okay, right, I have to go downstairs, probably. First. I thought I'd get annoyed by the black and white, but this game's actually, but because of that style, this game's actually very fun. If it was like a realistic, like more animation one, and not like rubber style and whatnot, I feel like it'd be
Going
much
down.
less.
No other way around.
But because of that, I feel like it's extra cool.
Hey, watch it.
Just from
Excuse me.
Lord Farquaad.
Coming through.
Hey, never heard of patience?
Ever heard him move?
Yeah, welcome to public transit, bub.
Sure. crap, I just loaded it over here. Take it. Oh my god. How do I throw it? Woo!
Nothing personal, but
You guys know, I didn't even know you could pick those up.
Dear basketball, from the moment I started.
Hiker.
oh, whack ya.
Ow, whack it. Man, shut up. Okay, let them know I'm still coming. I'm still here. Anywhere to leave? Here. Nope. That's it. Oh, we're there. Pop. Get some ammo. And I will get a big barrel of explosives, baby. Come on. What's this big bomb explosive? Come. I can go. Yo, game of the year. Hold on, watch this. Quick shot. Cristiano Ronaldo. Fuck.
Suey.
No, that'd be funny. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Die, please. Oh. Shit. This guy was a bat. That guy has a gun, so I have to look for that. Are we good? 3. Okay, I probably shouldn't have drinking that water. Holy frick! Son of a goober. Oh wait, I like that. I like how the lower you get, the less you can hear, and the more the hearing gets deafened. God! I've died 3 times from this easy game, bro. What was my last save? Alright. Where am I? Oh, I'm just here. Alright, now I know. First use this switch. Get my big barrel explosives. Alright, come on. Open that.
Don't take it
door.
personal.
Woo! What are you doing? Oh, watch this. Cristiano Ronaldo. Damn. Okay, hold on. Bad at parkour. Where's the bomb? That's not a bomb. Kick him in the face. Get more ammo. Wait for the bomb. Come out this fucking door. I dare you. Oh. Nah. Heal D bottle? Why'd I do that? Oh my god. Make sure to save. Oh, come on.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Suey.
Oh my god! This game. Make sure to reload before I go back out there. Easy. Exit. No entry yet. This.
Nothing personal.
Nothing personal, you said. Word.
this is the place. Now, which apartment was it?
I don't know. Should taking a picture like I did that stupid magician poster. I'm assuming. And I have an armor. Yeah. Oh, that looks satanic.
What in
Are you okay? What the f-
Jeez Louise, lady. You're in pieces. Well, I mean,
Oh, crap.
never mind. What happened to you?
I accidentally-
What you mean, what happened?
Well, not to double down on the joke, but you look, you know,
Yes?
a little broken up, somewhat detached.
I sure am. And I still have to find a new job.
This is going nowhere. I'm looking for Steve.
Well, who isn't? He went puff, and now some mobsters or other are trying to get the money they lost on the show. We're ruined.
Hey. No one's gonna hurt you. Anymore. All right. Any clue who'd want Steve, you know, disappeared?
Who wouldn't? But apart from the small gangs and the mobsters and the crazies and the girls and the police and the...
Okay. Let me just stop you right there. Now, give me the first thing that comes to mind, all right? Go.
Ooh, the party!
Not really the best time to celebrate.
No, the politicians, the big mouse party. Yes, sir, he did rub shoulders with them more than once. He did like them haughty perfume girls and boys, but he likes the politics more. Just ask the stage designer.
Which stage designer?
The stage designer. He tagged along with Steve and his new buddies and did some gigs for them. He's working in the opera mostly.
Oh, you could have started with that. The case stank of crime or cheese.
Get to my car.
I had to go back to the office and figure out which.
Yeah, I think once I go to my car, I think I'm gonna end the video. Because this game so far is really fun. Oh, god damn it. Let me go to my car! Alright, guys, thank you for watching, and
When it comes to
thank you for watching, and this game's pretty good, and again, thank you to that guy Polo for letting me play this game, and that's it. Bye.
Tryna run away, tryna get away.